a list. So it shows on the left-hand side, it shows what you got. So I'll just pass it around. You can see you got. You do what? You enjoy your meal? Or you just pass it around all day. That's the way it's. Other entertainment you need, or also the food. If there's any food left over, you just take it home. Because at the end of the shift, any food that people don't take home needs to be thrown in the garbage. So I threw a bunch of salads in the fridge, a bunch of meals from earlier. I threw in the fridge probably around 3 o'clock-ish.
Scott,
So I
Scott,
think it's probably still good.
where are you at?
Salty, that was good.
Where are you going tonight?
I would say when we're all dining, we should take what's left over, throw in the fridge, so at the end.
We're gonna meet. We're gonna meet. Oh yeah.
Who's
you in?
You can't take the beds till next week.
What you in?
So,
King.
Okay. Oh, vad säger du om nästa?
Kayo sino sa korang to so biye kay tapos.